Hello friends, welcome to Medilab 7 YouTube channel. This video is about differences between Staphylococcus species and Streptococcus species. Staphylococcus and Streptococcus are gram-positive bacteria, non-sporing, non-motile, facultative anaerobes and capable of showing antibiotic resistance. Now you know what are the similarities. Let's see briefly about differences. First characteristic is arrangement of bacteria. When we want to see arrangement of bacteria, we can do gram staining in microbiology laboratory. After gram staining, Staphylococcus species show grape-like clusters. They are also present in pairs, short chains or tetrads. Streptococcus species show chain of round cells. Catalase test is most important test to differentiate Staphylococcus species from Streptococcus species. Staphylococcus species catalase positive. That means catalase is an enzyme that converts hydrogen peroxide to water and oxygen. Streptococcus species catalase negative. When we talk about hemolytic patterns of Staphylococcus and Streptococcus species, Staphylococcus species show beta hemolytic patterns or no hemolytic pattern. When we talk about Streptococcus species, they show either alpha hemolytic or beta hemolytic or non-hemolytic pattern. Growth requirements, that means enriched media. Staphylococcus species, they do not require enriched media to grow. But Streptococcus species require enriched media to grow. When we talk about division of Staphylococcus and Streptococcus bacteria, Staphylococcus species divide in various directions, that means multiple axes. Streptococcus species divisions occur in one linear direction, that means single axis. Habitat. When we talk about Staphylococcus species, Staphylococcus species are found on the skin. When we talk about Streptococcus species, Streptococcus species are found in respiratory tract. Species number. When we talk about Staphylococcus species, about 40 species have been identified so far. When we talk about Streptococcus species, about 50 Streptococcus species have been identified so far. Pathogenesis. When we talk about Staphylococcus species, most of Staphylococcus species are non-pathogenic. When we talk about Streptococcus species cause many diseases. Pathogenic species. When we talk about Staphylococcus, pathogenic species are Staphylococcus aureus, Staphylococcus epidermidis, Staphylococcus saprophyticus, Staphylococcus hominis, and Staphylococcus hemolyticus. When we talk about Streptococcus species, pathogenic species are Streptococcus pneumoniae, Streptococcus bovis, Streptococcus pyogenes, Streptococcus agalactiae. Disease caused. Staphylococcus species cause septic arthritis, surgical site infection, food poisoning, wound infection, meningitis, pneumonia, osteomyelitis, conjunctivitis, toxic shock syndrome. Streptococcus species cause rheumatic fever, sore throat, pneumonia, wound infection, acute post-streptococcal glomerulonephritis, scarlet fever, blood infections, meningitis in newborns. When we want to differentiate Staphylococcus species in microbiology laboratory, we do those tests. For Staphylococcus species, coagulase test, no biopsy sensitivity test. For Streptococcus species, bacitracin sensitivity test, optogene sensitivity test, biosolubility test, CAM test.